Okay, so we are trying to find out what C is, the hypotenuse. We already know that side A is 8 centimeters and side B is 6 centimeters. To figure out the hypotenuse, the formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So we know that A is 8 centimeters, so we plug it in. So 8 squared plus B side, which should be 6 centimeters, so 6 squared. And we don't know C, so we leave it as C squared. Then what we need to do next is simplify it to 8 times 8 plus 6 times 6 equals C squared. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 6 times 6 is 36, equals C squared. 64 plus 36 is 100. 100 equals C squared. Next, you need to find the square root of 100. You also need to find the square root of C squared. So the square root of 100 is 10. And the square root of C squared is C. So now we now know that the hypotenuse is 10. To prove it, we have a 6 by 6 triangle. 8 by 8 triangle. Square. And 6 by 6 square. And we have 10 by 10 square. To get this square, we added up this square and this square. This square is 8 squared. This side is 6 squared. So when you put it on the big square, this is what you have. And when you cut this into pieces, it'll fit the purple square exactly. So now we have proved that A squared plus B squared equals C squared.